Hello, curious minds. Do you ever think about time? Not just about what time it is, but about the very nature of time itself, how it works, how it bends, and what happens when you push the limits of it. Well, buckle up because today, we're diving into some mind-blowing concepts that'll leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about time. You won't believe what I have in store for you. Now, let's kick things off with something that might sound a bit wild at first. Are you ready? What if I told you that time travel is real? No, I'm not talking about hopping into a DeLorean or using some strange time machine. I'm talking about something that happens every single day, right now. Let's talk about time dilation. Time travel, the space-time paradox. Here's the deal. Astronauts, people just like you and me, who spend time in space, age slower than we do here on Earth. That's right. They experience less time passing than we do, and it's not just some science fiction idea. It's based on something called Einstein's theory of relativity. According to this, time moves differently depending on where you are and how fast you're moving. Let's break this down. Imagine two twins, one of them stays on Earth, and the other takes off on a trip into space at high speeds. When the twin in space returns, guess what? They will have aged less than the one who stayed on Earth. This isn't some weird dream, it's the reality of time dilation in space. How does this happen? It all comes down to gravity and velocity. The stronger the gravity or the faster you're moving, the slower time passes for you compared to someone far away from the gravity or moving slower. It's like a cosmic magic trick, and we get to see it happen in real life. Time moves faster the higher you go. And here's another jaw-dropping fact. Time actually moves faster the higher you go. You know that feeling when you're on top of a mountain, and you just feel like you're on top of the world? Well, guess what? Time is moving a bit faster for you up there. The higher you go above Earth's surface, the weaker the pull of gravity. As a result, time speeds up slightly for you. But wait, it gets even crazier. Think about it. Your feet, which are closer to the Earth's surface, are actually aging a little bit slower than your head. That's right, your head is aging faster than your feet right now. Pretty wild, right? The world of time keeps getting more and more mind-boggling by the second. Venus, a day longer than a year. Alright, now let's take a step away from Earth and look at our neighboring planets. Have you ever wondered how time behaves on other planets? Well, it's totally different. Let's take Venus, for example. A day on Venus, which is the time it takes for the planet to complete one rotation, is actually longer than a year on Venus. I'm not kidding. Venus takes about 243 Earth days to spin around once, but it only takes about 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. This means that one full day on Venus lasts longer than its entire year. Imagine living somewhere where your day was longer than your year. Mind-blowing, right? Traveling at the speed of light. Now, hold on tight because we're about to venture into the extreme end of things. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you could travel at the speed of light? Forget about faster than light speeds for a moment. Just imagine you're moving at the speed of light, say, in a spaceship, zooming through space. Well, according to Einstein's theory, time would stop for you. Yes, you heard me correctly. If you traveled at the speed of light, time would completely freeze. For you, the traveler, it would feel as though no time has passed at all. But for everyone else who isn't traveling with you, time would be moving forward just as it always does. You'd be stuck in a kind of timeless bubble. Now, to be clear, scientists have yet to figure out how to travel at the speed of light. But just imagine for a moment, if we could somehow achieve that speed, we could move through the universe in ways that make today's technology look like child's play. It's a dream right now, but who knows? Maybe someday, we'll find a way to make it a reality. The power of time. What does all this mean for us? Why does this matter in our everyday lives? Well, time is a powerful force, and when we begin to understand how it bends and stretches in different conditions, we start to see the universe in a whole new light. It's like we're unlocking secret codes of the cosmos. Time isn't just a simple ticking clock, it's an ever-shifting, ever-expanding part of the fabric of the universe, and by exploring it, we can unlock new potentials, new technologies, and even new ways of thinking about life itself. So, if you've been as amazed by all of this as I have, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. There's so much more to explore, and I guarantee we'll keep uncovering the mind-bending wonders of science and the universe together. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on what's coming next. Until then, keep questioning, keep exploring, and most importantly keep wondering about the mysteries of time. Thanks for watching.